One of the big questions we get is, can we redesign an existing website if it's a big redesign build? Yes, we can. We do this in several stages. So we take in one of our clients who's just come over onto us, and we've done a full redesign for them. So what happens is, in stage one, we go through a discovery. So we go through all of the branding, the wireframes, sitemaps, all of the structure, and things for demographics and who you're trying to target. We then build all of that onto an external, what's called staging site. So we can see this is their staging site. So we can see that up here, it's just a holding domain. So we build up all of the website, we run through all of the revisions, we make sure that everything is exactly how you want it. And once we've got to that stage, we then do a switch. So we're going to see this in live preview. I'm going to get rid of this one, which is the staging domain, and we're actually on the live domain right now. So I'm just going to go through some of these pages just so we can kind of see what the old website was. And now I'm going to flick the switch in the back end of our system, which is now going to replace the entire website with the new design. Now, before I give this site a refresh so we can see the new design, there are reasons why we do it in that way. If we was to try and build it with inside an existing website, then any new pages, testing pages, branding pages, holding pages, or anything like that could potentially get indexed into search results. So indexed means placed. And we don't want them if they're just holding pages or design branding pages or things like that. So we pull everything out into a staging server and onto a staging site. What that means is we can then make sure that all existing links are not missed or lost, because we want to keep them for search results. And then in new pages we can build and design it based around all of your planned demographic and your target reach. Then once we're ready and we've gone through all of the revisions and amendments, making sure that the site is exactly how you want it. So I'm going to go give it a refresh, and then we're going to see the new design. And there we go. So it's a great way to quickly switch over a website if you're doing a full redesign. And it could be a few pages, or you may have hundreds of pages. We do the process the same to make sure that you're not losing anything. We make sure that all of the data stays there as of Google. Any links that you've got there, and you're not losing any history. We'll go through into some of the other pages, and again you can see it's all now on their live domain. We just flick through some of these so you can have a look.